I'm happy that I can put a smile on someone's face when they're eating the pastry that I created. Hi, I'm June. Today I'm making chiffon cake. I am a pastry chef at Proof Bakery in Los Angeles. Chiffon cake is a very classic light cake. It's like angel food cake or genoise. So it's very light, very nice to eat, especially on a summertime. I moved from the Philippines to the US here in Los Angeles when I was 20, and I instantly went to the culinary school, and the rest is history. It's special because it's the first cake I learned from my mother, and I was very excited about it, and very technique-driven cake, and I'm happy that I learned it from her. I make this cake usually for somebody's birthday at home or a cousin, so everybody likes this cake. Making meringue can be very difficult if we don't understand the technicality of it. We wanted to make sure that after we whip it, we have a nice glossy texture, a fine texture in it, and there's no pieces of sugar. When you're incorporating the base and the meringue that you made, you want to do the folding technique so you're not popping all the air pockets that you created into the meringue, because that's what makes the cake rises as you bake. We don't use eggs in our buttercream. We use some butter, evaporated milk, and sugar because eggs are pretty pricey back in Manila where I grew up. Only use it in the cakes that we bake, and then the buttercream we just use butter, sugar, and milk. I knew I was gay when I was younger. I knew it right away that I was different. I was different from the other boys that I see in the neighborhood, different from the boys that I see in school. But I didn't come out till I was 22. I was already here in Los Angeles with my family, and that's when I decided to come out. I pretty much grew up in church. There was a huge battle between what I'm feeling and who I am and my religious background. So it was hard for me to accept who I really am. In the beginning, when I started working in the kitchens, it was hard. I see my being gay was a downfall, was a weakness. But then I realized, no, it's not. It's my power. In the end, you would earn their respects because you would show what you can do. They would see what you can do. And you just have to pretty much prove yourself every day and not stop. But I tell most of my coworkers this, not to stop learning and to always be accepting of criticisms. It's pretty much how you will learn and grow, is accepting that and learning from that. And I still learn until now, even though I've been in the business for a while. Every time I come to work, I still learn something new. For young people or any person that's gay and wanted to be a chef, just be yourself. You don't have to hide anything. Be humble and just be kind. If anybody listening to this and you're struggling in coming out to anybody, to your parents or to your loved ones, to your friends, take your time. It will happen when you're ready. Do not force yourself to come out. I know it's hard. Trust your feeling. There are better things after when you come out.
Oh, yes!